Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube video downloader using Python. To create this project, I'm going to create a new folder. So let me create that new folder. Go to right click new and folder. I'm going to give the folder name as YouTube video downloader. YouTube video downloader. Open this folder and in the path type cmd to open the command prompt. Then inside the command prompt type code dot to open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Once the Visual Studio Code is open, you need to create a new file inside this folder. Now in the Explorer, click on this new file icon. You can give it any name of your choice. To keep it simple, I'm going to name it as app.py. Before we start coding, we need one module called PyTube, which is required for downloading the YouTube videos. Now go to terminal, new terminal, to open the new terminal. The terminal, type python -m pip install PyTube. I need enter. So you can see that the PyTube module has been installed. So once the installation is completed, we can start coding the actual project. To get started, I'm going to import a few of the packages. First of all, I'm going to import Tkinter as TTK. The next package that I'm going to import is PyTube. Finally, I'm going to import message box to show our success message or failure message. I'm going to create a class called YouTube downloader. Next, I'm going to create a constructor to initialize this class. This class is going to take one parameter called root. This root here is nothing but the Tkinter. Now let us initialize this root. So to initialize it, we are going to do something like this. Self.root is equal to root. The root here is nothing but the variable of our class. So now let us give title for our GUI. Root.title. Title. So inside here, I'm going to type YouTube video downloader. And hit save. Next, I'm going to create an entry field to enter the URL of the YouTube video. Before that, we need a label for that entry field. So let me create a label. Self.URL label is equal to tk.label. Label is a Tkinter function and it accepts two parameters. The first one is the root and the next is the text of the label. I'm going to give it as enter YouTube URL. So I will give it as video URL. Next, self.URL underscore label dot pack. The pack function is used to bind this label to this root. Next, I'm going to create the entry field. I will call it as URL entry. tk.entry is the function that is going to create the entry field in our GUI and it accepts root as a parameter. And we need to pack this entry as well. Now I'm going to create a download button to download the YouTube video. So self dot download button is equal to tk dot button. This button is another function of the Tkinter GUI, and this button accepts first parameter as a root. Next parameter is the text of the button. I'm going to give it as download. Finally, the last parameter is command. This command is nothing but the function that is going to be executed whenever we click on this button. So the function name I'm going to give it as download video. Self dot download video. We have not yet created this function, so I'm going to create this function in a few moments. Now we have to pack this button as well to the GUI. Now let us create this download video function. So def download video. Now we need the URL that is going to be entered in this label field. So to access that, what I'm going to do is create a new variable. URL is equal to self dot URL underscore label dot get to get the URL. So the get function here is used to get the entered string in the entry field. Next, I'm going to wrap the video downloading code inside the try catch block so that we can handle any exception that will be thrown up. So inside that try catch, first I'm going to create an YouTube object. So YouTube is equal to pytube dot YouTube, and this YouTube accepts one parameter, which is nothing but the URL. Next, we are going to access the video of this YouTube object. Video is equal to YouTube dot string. This stream is going to have the videos in different resolution. Among that, I'm going to get the highest resolution of that video. The streams dot get highest resolution is a function that is going to return us the highest video resolution. So finally, we are going to download this video. So to download the video, we have a function called video dot download. Now let us create a message box to show the success message that our video has been downloaded. Search OW info. Now let us catch an exception if it is thrown. Now let me copy the same message box as above, and I'm going to replace success with error, and I'm going to replace this text as some error as occurred. Now I'm going to create new object of the Tkinter, and I'm going to name it as root. So root is equal to tk.tk. Along with that, I'm going to create new object of our YouTube downloader. So I'll name it as downloader. Let me copy this and pass root to this. This root is nothing but the parameter that we passed here in this constructor. Finally, let me call the main function of this Tkinter, which is root dot main loop. Main loop is the function where the actual execution of this program begins. So let me save this file. So guys, I have actually written this download media function inside a constructor, which is actually wrong. So I'm going to correct this. And make sure you put this opening and closing bracket. I have made a little mistake there too. So let me run this. Before that, let me save it. So you can see that the GUI has been open. Let me resize it. Now go to Chrome. I have already opened the video. I'm going to copy the URL of this video and let me paste here and click on download. So URL label. So this is not label, this is entry. Save, and also make sure that this T is in capital letter. So let me save the file and run. Let me paste the same URL and click on download. And you can see guys, in the Explorer the video got downloaded and it is stored in the same folder where our app.py file is created. So we even got the success message that video is downloaded successfully. So let me close this and let me play the video. So that's it guys. We have created the YouTube video downloader and this is how you create the YouTube video downloader using PyTube and the Tkinter GUI. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on my next video.